Sick of seeing my face yet? So yesterday I just bought a whole bunch of chicken breasts from Zaycon Fresh, but I can't live on just chicken alone, so of course we need other meats, and I'm still trying to kind of get a little stockpile on it, but not go overboard, because that was the whole point of doing my no-spend freezer. But I really still haven't really bought anything. I mean, yeah, I've bought stuff because we've been eating, but I really haven't stocked up. I've kind of just been buying as I need as we go along. So we have 2 discount stores in the area I live in, and we have another discount store that I know of in another town about 15-20 minutes away. So I visited one of the discount stores here, and I visited the other discount store in the other town, and I mainly was for meats. The first one I visited was the one in my city, and they basically had like a lot of chicken, and obviously I don't need it, and even if I hadn't gotten the Zaycon, I wouldn't have got it because I'm all about a bargain, but I want to buy quality at good prices. I don't want to sacrifice quality just to get it for a cheaper price. So I wouldn't have bought it because I didn't like the look of it. And the only thing that they had there decent was chicken from Nature's Promise, which is Stop and Shop's organic brand. And the packages themselves were 1 pound packages, and the price on the packages was $2.34 a pound, and they were selling the package for $2. Now, for that, I don't think that's enough of savings. I would actually rather have just gone to Stop and Shop and pay the $2.34 and buy it fresh rather than get it for $2 and have it already, past the date and frozen and all that. I mean, I'm fine with that, as long as it was frozen and it's still good. Like, I'm not one of those people that won't eat something because it's past the date. I think things still do have quite a shelf life past most things anyway. I mean, even milk. I mean, depending on the weather and all that, sometimes you can get milk to go way over a week, but that's just me. So I'm going to show you what I got. The first store, I didn't get no meats at all. The second store, I really didn't get it other than these right here. And then the rest of it is just all snacks. All these stores, they just have mega snacks. I mean, I got a whole bag full, so it's a snacky video. But I'm going to show you, other than the snacks, what I got. This was, like I said, from the second store. And the bag, it's going to be all mixed. There's some from the first store. There's some from the second store. I just have it all in the same bag. But I did get these pie crusts for only $1, and you know how expensive these are, Pillsbury. So I got 2 of those. And then a long time ago, I had gotten this at that discount store, and I had only gotten 1 package, and these are so delicious. And ever since then, every time I went to a store, until I finally gave up because I couldn't find them, I tried to look for these. I never thought about going back to that store because these discount stores, really, they're like one-timers. They buy like a bulk of something and then they sell it off until they're done. So I really didn't think I would even find that there. So I was pretty excited when I was able to find it, and I got 2, 3, 4 of them. I really did want to get more, but I mean, it's not something that I'm going to use a whole lot in a short frame of time. So I got enough that I was satisfied, but not a bunch where it was going to be too much. So this is, we call it chorizo, but this is chorizo, and these are so good. Oh my gosh, like egg and cheese sandwiches on English muffins or bagels. These are so delicious. They got like the right amount of spice. They like just up a breakfast sandwich up a notch, like to the point where it becomes a lunch, it becomes a dinner. I mean, I love these, and these were only $1 each. So score on these. And now the rest is all snacks. I got this apple spice for $1 a box. I had gotten the pumpkin one. I had gotten the gingerbread one that I paid full price for at Price Right, which is 2 something. And they also had the peppermint one. They had all 4 of the holiday. Now, obviously, this was, you know, seasonal. But, again, I don't care. Let me see what the date is on here. Can't find it. But anyway, they're priced at $2.69. I paid $1. Again, this is something else that I think, you know, in the foil, it lasts for a long time, even past the date. So I got the apple spice. I didn't get the peppermint because I don't like peppermint enough to get it. And then I had gotten the pumpkin spice and I had gotten the gingerbread regular price at the time that it was seasonal. And the gingerbread was delicious. Or was it the pumpkin spice was delicious. The gingerbread was okay. Either one, I didn't like them enough to rebuy them, but I figured since I didn't get this one, I would try the apple spice. Now for the snacks. These right here, these big snacks, these were 2 for $1, and the smaller snacks were 3 for $1. So if you see it's something that it's the big snacks, know that I paid two for $1. If it's the smaller snacks, know that I paid 3 for $1. And then packages like this, I believe were 50 cents. So this one is chocolate peanut butter brownie mix, and this one is banana sundae mix, and these are for Denny to take for work. The snacks, and then they had the Heinz gravy for $1, which, you know, around Thanksgiving, I always pay $1 anyway, 97 cents, 99 cents. I usually like stock up, but I do use a lot of gravy, so I just grabbed one for $1. All right, and I think that was it. Now for the snacks. So I got 2 of these big ones. Like I said, 2 for $1. And then I got the Mentos caramel and chocolate. These are good. I got 3 of those for $1. And then there's another big snack. And I got that one. And then these are like the smaller ones. So Jenny and AJ really like Almond Joy. So I got 3 of those. I actually got 4. So I think this was... Oh, I did get... Oh, anyway. These were considered another 3. So I got the Snickers hazelnut. These are good too. I got some more Mentos. I stocked up because the kids love these. So those are all the fruity ones. And then there's another one of the M&M. And here's another Almond Joy. And then these, when they go on sale at CVS, I think they go on sale for like $2.79 or $2, and then they do the extra bucks for like 79 cents or $1, something like that. So I know I end up paying still $1.79, which I think is crazy expensive. And look, 2 for $1. Yeah. Oreo brownie, another Mentos. Oh, whatchamacallit. Who else loved these when they were a kid? If you're in my age bracket, yeah. And I got another 2 because 2 for $1. And then I got some Mentos mints for AJ. And these are the caramel and mint dark chocolate. These are really good too on the Mentos. And these are my favorite besides Snickers. I am going to enjoy this. And then another Golden Graham. So yeah, a lot of snacks, but hey, you know what, at this price, and I'm not going to apologize for liking snacks. I'm not going to apologize for any of us liking snacks. So yeah, I mean, I really went with wishful neat. I was really hoping that I was going to find more than I did, but I didn't. But I'm really happy with the Charisse and the pie crust, definitely. So now, can you believe it's day 17 of Veda already? Is it Veda or Vita? I don't know. I call it Veda. But I can't believe that, you know, it's already the 17th. Now, I'm going to finally go home, do my cleanup, do my cooking, edit, upload, and that's about it. So, for that, I will say goodbye here. I will see you on day 18. Bye.